Hey, this is JD and FIA. I just wanted to real quickly give you these chords here. Some passes that you can do to get to the 5. Alright, we're in G flat. I'll be showing you that. And then there. Alright, just different options. And I also briefly show you some song examples you can use it on. Alright. So what I'm doing, I'm playing a 4, 3, I'm in G flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Alright. I'm playing a 4, 3, alright. Essentially a flat third down to my essentially a 2, A flat. Alright, but what I'm doing is I'm playing the tritone for this chord for the A, and I'm playing the tritone for the A flat. So instead of going, I'm gonna go basically. Alright, but I'm gonna do it up here so it's not, so it doesn't sound so muddy. Like that. So I'm playing a 4, 3, so I got B major. Alright, B, G flat, B flat, E flat, alright? But to get to that E flat, I'm hitting the D flat, going into the E flat. That sets me up for my B flat minor 7 chord. B flat, F on my left hand, right hand, A flat, D flat. Alright? Then I gotta come way up here to make that move there. Alright? So I have left hand, this is my A. This is 8-13, so which is acting as a passing chord to get to my 2. Alright, so I have G, D flat, on my left hand, which is the tritone for A. And then my right hand, I'm playing G flat, B flat. But to get to that B flat, I'm coming off the A flat. Alright, like that. Then my next chord, I got 2 choices. I can play, left hand's gonna stay the same regardless. G flat and C, which is the tritone for A flat. So this is my 2 chord. Alright. And then my right hand, I can play F and A flat. Or I can play E flat and A flat. Or I can come down and play all 3 of them. Usually, I'll play the F and A flat, or just the E flat and A flat. Alright? From there, you're going to want to go to your 5. I chose to play a D flat 9. Alright? Dominant chord. Left hand, D flat, A flat. Right hand, B or C flat, but we're going to call it B, D flat, E flat, G flat. But to play the chord, I'm strumming it like that. Alright? Then I go to my 1. However you play your 1 chord. Alright? Same chords, but you come from the top. Alright? Let me let you hear it with the E flat. Sets up nicely to get to the 5. And then or sets up nicely to get to the 1. However you play your 1 chord is fine. Alright? Simple 1, 3, 5 is good enough. Alright. If I was playing a song, ending a song, I just want to thank and thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord part. Alright, I could say once again, I just want to thank you, Lord. Let's look at that melody. I, B flat, A flat, G flat, F. Alright, so let's look at the chords. B flat, do it up here. So still got that same melody. Alright, U, same 5 chord, Lord. And I like to suspend that by playing that B there. So I got B, D flat, E flat, G flat. Then down to my B flat, D flat, G flat. Alright, look at another song. Hallelujah. Alright. Alright, once again. Just keeping it simple. Alright. You can walk into it like that. So you got just walked up D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat. Alright. I can also say so you got I'm going slow so you can see it. One more song. Nobody do me like Jesus. He's my friend. Alright. So I mean, it pretty much works on anytime you playing a 2-5-1. Just set it up, get the timing right. Alright, and then you got it. One thing I learned to get this down, because it was quite a jump going up, I played this slow, this pattern right here. So I would start and then without stopping. And it's got the chords in my hand, and then I sped it up once I got comfortable. The hardest part is keeping that sustain pedal. The faster that you play, because you don't want your chords to bleed together. So the timing is right. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know.